Hello guys, Karak here with you, and today getting my hands on the Ford Focus. The first time I will be driving the Ford Focus sedan, and will show you my emotions. So this is the first time ever I drive this car. I hope this will help you if you want to get such vehicle used, for example. So okay guys, I've started this car and the first thing I noticed, it's vibrating like hell while it's warming up. I don't know, maybe something wrong with this focus, but it was unexpected for me. But thanks guys, it's just 30 seconds and now I think I'm ready to drive. First emotions when you get in this car, it's like it's not that small. But after my Honda CR-V, it's a little bit cramped anyway. But I expected it to be worse, because when you approach this vehicle, it seems like a very small car. But you have enough room here for comfortable driving, I suppose. So let's try driving it. Okay. For me, it's quite. It's not very comfortable that you can easily go to sport instead of drive. I don't know. This is the first car I'm having problems with choosing. They needed gear mode. So now we'll start driving. I'll tell you how this car goes. Overall, it doesn't seem very comfortable. I'm not feeling really well in my legs, and I don't think that if I drive for a long distance, I'll be very happy in this vehicle. So, okay. I will tell you, it vibrates even when you drive. Maybe it's suspension, but I'm not sure about this. It badly vibrates, and it shouldn't be like that. When it comes to steering, I would say it's not the best car in the world I've ever driven. Someone's driving with the climate control. Too hot. Okay. It doesn't sound like a premium car, It sounds like you're sitting in a very budget-friendly car, and you hear everything. You hear your tires, you hear the engine, you hear the transmission working, and you need to grab the steering wheel, because if you let it go, this car will probably go to some random direction, right? What about the suspension? This car has some not stock wheels, and these wheels are of bigger size. You may have seen it before I entered this vehicle, and that's why this car feels a little too stiff suspension, I would say. When you go over some bad road, you will not be happy. And I would say that steering is awful with these wheels. Maybe it's because of the wheels. I've never driven another Focus, so I can't tell if this is a problem with this vehicle or with all Focuses. And before you buy such a vehicle, you just sit in it and you test drive it, because I'm pretty sure if you've driven a car of higher class, you will not be happy with this Focus at all. You will not be happy with how you handle it, with how you steer it. But again, I want to tell you that this is the first time I drive Focus, and I can't compare it with any other Focuses. So maybe it's because of the changes and modes that have been made of this vehicle. But still, I don't like how it goes. I don't like the comfort. Um, I should tell you that before this, I was driving a larger car, and maybe it's because of this, and maybe I will get used to it in several minutes and will be okay. But now I'm not feeling like I'm in a good car for me. Okay, that's what was for my emotions. I hope this was helpful for you, and see you in the next videos about this Ford Focus.